Assalamualaikum. I'm Muhammad Ikhwan bin Azman, number ID 2018276516 from Group 4A3. We'll be creating and analyzing compost at home using kitchen waste for my project ECW 445. So to start off, what exactly is a compost? Compost is an organic matter that has been decomposed in a process called composting. Composting is a method for creating solid waste in which organic material is broken down by microorganisms in the presence of oxygen to a point where it can be safely stored, handled, and applied to the environment. This process recycled various organic materials, otherwise regarded as waste products, and produces a soil conditioner. Compost is rich in nutrients, and composting is an essential part of reducing household waste. What exactly is a kitchen waste? So in every kitchen, there is waste that must be recycled, waste that can be hazardous, and waste that must be stored in a certain way. A large majority of the waste that the kitchens produce is food waste. There are many regulations surrounding food waste due to the fact that raw meats, fish, and eggs cannot be landfilled. Here is the video of the process of making your own compost from your food waste.
Things that you'll need is banana peels. Make small pieces of the banana peels by cutting it. Dry the pieces in sun for 2 days and make its powders in mix. Wash the used tea powder properly and drain the water. Dry the tea powder in sun for 2 days and you will get dry tea powder. Next, take used egg shells, wash them properly with water and dry in sun for 2 days. Break the egg shells so that we can get the egg shells powder. So now we have one set of tea powder, one part of banana peel powder, and one part of eggshell powder. Mix all of them and spread some soil and make place for our compost. Put one big spoon in it and spread the soil over it again. Add some water and there you have it. So why do we use all of this? Tea powder, it increases the soil nutrients, improves soil quality, and it contains nitrogen, potash, phosphorus and calcium. It is useful for tomatoes, rose and hibiscus. Eggshell powder provides calcium to the plants slowly as they decompose, and it provides nutrients essential for healthy growth of plants. It's best for tomatoes, pepper and eggplant. Banana peel powder acts as a natural fertilizer. It contains potassium, which is essential for health of a plant. It also has small amount of nitrogen and phosphorus, which is essential for blooming, pollination, and production of fruits. Banana peels are best for any plants. Rose plant responds well by flowering more than usual. And again, add this compost once every 15 days for better results. And that's it. You got a compost. Other than being effective, compost from kitchen waste are found to be enriches soil, helping retain moisture and suppress plant diseases and pests. It reduces the need for chemical fertilizers. It also encourages the production of beneficial bacteria and fungi that break down organic matter to create humus, a rich nutrient-filled material. It also reduces methane emissions from landfills and lowers your carbon footprint. So that is all. Thank you for watching.